Okay, this particular fuel line sucks baloney nuggets in my opinion. So this is where power tools become your best friend. You have to replace this fuel line that belongs in here. You have to remove this recoil cover. So start by removing your electric start system here on the top. Put that aside. Take your Phillips head off. Get out your 1/2 inch. And take out your 2 top bolts, which honestly, if I remember correctly, this ones don't look like it, but I've pulled these apart on the smaller HMSK80 and 50. That's actually cylinder head bolts. It's pretty poor design. Pull them, come down to 7/16. Pull this bolt. You got that bolt off. And then there might be another one over here, which there is. Pull that one off. And yeah, it doesn't seem so bad. Once again, if you have power tools, it's not the end of the world, but it is not an exciting fuel line. Generally, you just pull the line off, you replace it. This, you have to go through insane amount of work. Now we have to take off this, I don't know if you can see it or not, but this drive control cover, which is a 10mm, probably 3/8 works as well. Move your handle over. That will remove that. That allows this to come free, which is insane that we even have to take this off to give a little bit extra clearance here. I'm going to put these 2 bolts back where they belong so I don't lose them. And now there's a linkage still attached over here, which looks to be quarter inch, and or possibly 6 or 7mm. Nope, 1/4 inch will do it. So now that you got that, drop that socket off, and come over here real quick and show you that there's a 1/4 inch here, and then I'm going to try to hold this thing with my leg. Cool. Pull that off, and then we got another 1/4 inch here. We have wobble extensions, which really help this task. Get me around the gets me around this chute adjustment there. And then, alright, I'm gonna pause this for a second. Okay, got off that 1/4 inch throttle assembly over there. Removed all this stuff. Looks like we now have enough room to gain the clearance that I was looking for here, I think. Okay. There's a primer line. The primer line right here is still attached. So let me get a pair of pliers and remove that. You can remove it from either side, the carburetor or the shroud. But honestly, with how hard this is to replace, that's not logically needing to be that, except for a space issue and to protect the line. I understand it, but it makes no sense. Per se, we're going to replace that primer line certainly as well. So now that we're in here,